on Facebook and we are live on Zoom. Glorii is basically a platform where we are bringing extracurricular classes, that is like coding classes, language classes like Spanish classes, classes on climate change, classes on research, classes on dance, classes on music, all for children everywhere.
Hola, hola everybody. Hello. And yeah, that's the very first word we're going to learn because that's the first thing you say when you know someone. And then, do you know what's next? Before you say hola to someone, what else? What else do you do?
My name is Palak.
My name is Palak. Yes, there's other. Yes, you start introducing yourself. Mi nombre es Palak. Very good. Mi nombre es Alejandra. Mi nombre es. That means my name is.
Okay, people will ask you, how old are you? That means, ¿cuántos años tienes?
¿Cuánto? ¿Cuánto es? How much is cuánto? Like, what is cuánto meaning?
¿Cuánto means how?
Okay,
Años es old y tienes are you.
Años. So, when you hear años is the key word for old, age.
Exactly, yes.
Okay.
So,
¿Cuántos
años tienes?
Tienes.
What do we call adjectives in Spanish? Can you
Adjetivos. Yes. Adjetivos. It's just the same. Adjectives, adjectives. So, are you joven or anciano, Palak?
Little, not too young, not too old.
Okay, I just put here a baby because it's like the youngest person we can imagine. But you are so young.
Joven. Yeah.
Yeah.
Joven.
Goodness, I am joven.
Anciano means old, right?
Yes, very good. So, yes, Patty, you were saying that today we're going to learn about family, right?
I will say that.
Yes? And would you like to?
Yeah, I love to. Yeah.
Okay.
Familia.
Familia. Yes, that's exactly how it's called. Familia.
Familia.
Very good. Mama y papa.
Can I guess what grandma is called? Grandma.
Grandma.
I know.
Okay, Pala, tell us then.
Abuela.
Very good. Abuela. Yes, that's the word.
Then grandfather will be abuelo.
Very good. Excellent. Yes, that would be abuelo. Excellent. What about this little guy over here? That is the son of your mommy and your daddy. That means that is your brother. Do you know how to say it? Okay, it's hermano. Tío y tía. Really easy, right? They're like super words. Tío y tía.
Tío and tía means so my mom's sister, my dad's sister are the same, correct?
Yes. We use exactly the same word for your mom's sister and your dad's sister.
One, okay, is
One.
is uno.
Uno.
You know, it's similar. Uno. Okay.
Uno.
Two is dos.
Two is do.
Exactly. So
Do.
uno, dos,
Wow.
tres, three.
Three.
Correct. Exactly. Okay. Repeat again. Uno,
Uno.
dos,
Dos,
tres.
tres,
And then cuatro, four. Cuatro.
cuatro, four,
Yes, cuatro, cinco.
cinco,
Cinco. Five is
cinco.
Answer? Estoy bien. Very good. Muy bien. Excellent. Muy bien means very good. Very good. Excellent. Who else? Naira, would you like to answer? Right? So, we are going to continue a little bit. So, Palak, you're here now. So, just very quickly. Yo, you're going to complete it. Yo. What?
So,
Tú.
es,
Él.
es,
Ella.
es,
Nosotros.
somos,
Ellos.
son.
Now it's your turn. Yeah.
Él es mi hermano Juan.
Yes, very good. Now the next page, please.
Juan es muy amistoso. Él es mi hermano. Juan es muy amistoso. Él es divertido.
Okay, very good. So do you remember the word amistoso? We saw it last class. Friendly.
Yeah.
Yes, you remember it, right?
Very friendly.
Yes. It's like friend, friendly. Amigo, amistoso. Okay? Él es mi hermano Juan. Juan es muy amistoso. And él es divertido. Él no es aburrido properly. Okay. You want to say he's nice, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Ah, you remember. I know you know all this. So how would you say it, Palak?
Él es muy simpática.
Very good. Simpático. Remember. O-A.
First, which numbers?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who remembers number one?
Uno.
Okay.
Uno.
Uno.
Great.
Yeah.
Well done.
Who remembers number five?
Cinco.
Good. It's correct. And who remembers number eight?
Ocho.
Good.
So I'm going to ask a question, and if you know the answer, be fast to answer it. Okay, unmute and answer yourself really fast. Whoever answers first gets the point. So, what is the meaning of this sentence? Me gusta bailar.
Me gusta bailar.
Bailar. What's the meaning? I love dance. Great.
Me
So
gusta bailar.
Janvi and
I love
Lavan-
dance.
Good. Everyone got it. Very
Okay,
good.
so you will have to introduce yourself saying your name, what you do, what's your age, and where do you live. So I will say you will learn to introduce yourselves.
Cool. I can start.
Okay, Abby.
Okay, Abhi starts.
Me llamo Abhi. Yo tengo 25 años. And I am unemployed, so no trabajo.
Okay,
Yo tengo no trabajo.
okay. Now
Wow, brilliant.
it's Harsh turn.
Right. So how do you say and?
E. Y.
E.
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 Okay.
Yeah.
So me llamo Ash. Yo estudio en Ingeniería. Yo soy de India y yo vive de New Delhi. And, yo tengo 21 años. Like,
Muy bien.
Año.
Well
Well,
done.
good. Well done. My turn. Me llamo Esreshi y Yo tengo 30 años. Yo soy de India, pero yo vivo de Holanda. Yo estudio doctorado. Yo estudio un doctorado. Por favor. Gracias.
Well done, Rishi. Well done. You three.